Hey, what's up guys? So today I want to show you how to quick clean your Glock 42 after range. So nice little small carrying pistol, love it. I am using a shooter lube solvent and a shooter lube oil, which I have put it in a thinner bottle. And to finish everything, I would love to wipe it down with a D-wipe to clean the leads and other metals. And this is the toolkit I will be using. So first of all, you always want to make sure it's clear. The mag is out. I like to lock the slide in. And you can see inside there's nothing. Put my pinky just in case. So the pistol is clear. So there's two ways that you can take it apart. You can do it with the trigger down, or you can do it with the trigger up, engage. So basically, if you do it with the trigger engage, you put your finger just like this, bring it back just a little bit, hold these two things, go forward, press your trigger, and it comes off. Okay, put it back together. If you're going to do it without your trigger engage, trigger's not engaged no more, the same way, pull it back, bring these two down, bring it forward, it will slide right out. So it's not too dirty, but we will clean it. So now I would like to take, well, I'll move my camera. I would like to take this apart. So I'll take my spring out, my barrel, and my slide. And this is the bottom. So it's all separated. If I'm doing anything wrong, comment below so I can make sure I do it right the next time. So I like to use the little wipes. So now I usually like spraying this down because that will soften it up. Okay, leave that to the side. I spray this too. Okay. So now I will grab my 9mm brush, which it fit a 380. Put it on. Okay. So I grab my barrel and I will clean it. I like going a few times, do a little few turns. Okay, just like that. Okay. So now I grab my 9mm spiky thing. I'll put it on the same handle. Take this one off, put it on the handle. So now, wipes, put just like that. Wet it just a little bit, just one. And I'll run it through. Okay, you can see that it's very dirty. Okay. I'll do it again. And pretty much I will keep on going until it is coming out clean. Okay. That one came out pretty clean. So just spray one more time. Put it in. Spin it just a little bit. So that's clean. Barrel is clean. So this I sprayed there a little earlier. I'll just pretty much wipe it down. Make sure there's nothing. Looks clean. Okay, my spring is clean. So now I'll basically change this again. And I will put the brush. Okay, brush, I'll spray. I won't get nothing really in here, but I will clean just like this. Here especially. You know, you gotta get a soft brush, don't get a tough one. Okay. Grab my little rag. This pistol is the best. Love it. So, okay, I'll get a little, make sure, Q-tip, make sure it's all clean in there too. Okay, you see it's a little dirty. Make sure here is clean. Look at that, very dirty. Get another one. You know, you can really take all this apart, but I haven't shot it that many times to do that yet. But I will have an upcoming video on how to do that part. Alright, I'll grab the brush, spray it, and I'll start cleaning in here, lightly here. Definitely inside the rail, slide rail. Okay. A little bit. Okay. Grab a Q-tip. See, look at that. Look at that. Very dirty. Okay. So now to finish it, the oiling. So for the Glock 42, put a drop right here. One here. Okay, I like to put one pretty much here. Get the slide. Finish it up. Grab the whole slide rail. Just like that. Now put it together. Your barrel will go first. Before we do that, oil the barrel. I like to put it here, back here, down here, and here. Okay, rub it. There you go. Grab it. Barrel first. Got your spring. Front. Knock it to the second one. Just like that. Final. Slide down. Make sure it works. So now, final. Love to clean it with D-wipe to clean the leads and material and metals. So grab a wipe. Dry it up. It's all set. Very nice. Love it. Glock 42, oil and clean. Awesome.